discover the stories like stories. You can.
My teacher, he was always yelling at us, get out!
Oh my God.
Most people here go play in their backyard, but you got to go play in the jungle.
The job in the government sector, economics
Okay.
teacher.
Oh, oh, oh. Economics teacher. Okay. My teacher, he was not good. He was like older and he was mean and he didn't teach us correctly. So I don't know anything about economics.
No, ma'am. From my side, my economics teacher is very good, and I, you can say, in the present time also, I just remember that teacher. She's really very, very cooperative and very helpful. Yeah, always motivated me that please Pooja, do this thing and this is beneficial for you. So this kind of
Mhm.
thing. Yes, ma'am.
That's nice. My teacher, he was always yelling at us and kicking us out of the classroom. One time, one student sneezed, and the other student said, "Bless you," and the teacher says, "Get out."
Oh my God.
Yeah, he thought they were just talking, but he was kind of
So,
old, so
so, ma'am, we can say that in the in the subject also we are the opposite, like the time
yeah.
zone is opposite. So, like the teacher that we you can say got in our past, that is also opposite, huh?
Yeah, everything's opposite.
Okay.
What about you? Tell me, like, maybe do you have hobbies?
Ma'am, in my hobbies, actually, you can say in my past, I had the hobbies, but right now, I not get, you can say, habitual of that.
What hobbies did you have in the past?
Hobbies like you can say just playing with my friends, and when we are kids, we have a little bicycle. We go in
Yeah.
the yeah, we went into the jungle and just roaming here and there. So I like my childhood days, ma'am, a lot.
That's so cool. You most people here go play in their backyard, but you got to go play in the jungle.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we just discover the stories like stories. You can say no one can see that thing, but they were just you can say discovering that. Yesterday I
Mhm.
saw that person without head, and the hand is shaking.
Yeah, yeah.
Really,
Oh,
childhood is real was very memorable. We can't you can say take it back. If it happens, then
yeah.
we want to get in our childhood.
In Mexico, we're always telling ghost stories.
Oh, so ma'am, you can say you trust in that kind of stories, huh?
No, I don't believe the stories, but they're still fun to tell. Like, there's something that happens to me when somebody is telling the story. I could watch a scary movie and that's okay. But when somebody starts to tell a scary story, I start to cry a little bit because I get like, oh, I get this crazy feeling, like,
You got the vibrations, huh? Like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, exactly.
You
And I don't
feel
know,
that.
it could be like a story that's not so scary, but just because the person is saying it, like it just makes you feel something. I don't know.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, in our childhood, we also do that when you can say there was 12 a.m. right now in the
Hmm.
midnight. What we usually do, we just open the television and watch the ghost story. And we also you can say after watching that story, we also see that that there is a voice coming here, that is this kind of thing. So we just remember all that kind, that it is also happens, we just imagine. So you can say it is just our imagination, nothing else.
I think you're right. I think it's the imagination, and just, um, I don't know, like even if the story is very simple, like your imagination goes wild.
Yes, ma'am,
Yeah.
because we are child.
Yeah.
So,
But even as a grown up, that happens to me as a grown up. Like, I don't know why. Like, somebody starts telling me a scary story and like I start crying a little bit. Like,
yes, ma'am. Actually, you can say the sentiments that a human have, that you can say reflects. So when you see that, anyone's see the emotional movie and something, then also you can say the tears also coming out by seeing that.